If you have less than 1,000 followers on TikTok and you want to grow your followers on TikTok, this particular video is going to help you because there are some strategies that people are using to get followers fast on TikTok. And trust me, if you have followers on TikTok, you can monetize them. And I'm going to do a video about that. But for now, let's get the followers first. In just 3 weeks, I grew one of my TikTok account called Update and Finance Extra from 0 followers to over 6,000 followers. And I also have another one called Update and Finance, which is also over 15,000 followers. And the third one is also, I'll not mention the name because it's my personal business that I've been doing. That one is just over 1,000 followers. But funny enough, the least one, which is the 1,000 followers, is rather the one that has been getting me money or making me money than all the other ones. And as I said, I'm going to do a different video about that so that even if you have small followers on TikTok, you can still monetize, the followers. So now, how can you get followers on TikTok? Which strategies have I been using? What strategy can you also use? Let's get started. Right now, if I take my phone, I'll open Google and search for Gemini.ai. Gemini.ai is an AI tool, and these AI tools are there to help us anytime we need them. For instance, if you are looking for something and you are not getting it, you just go there and search for it. So right now, I'll come to and give it a prompt here. Whatever you ask, it will give you the answer. So I'll come here and say, I want to get 10,000 followers fast on TikTok. What can I do to get these followers fast in just 1 week? So let's see the answers it will give us. So we are waiting to see the answers it will give us. So it started something here. It says how to get 10,000 TikTok followers. So it will give you a long thing. So you have to come here and rate all this. But we want to give it something specific to see what is trending right now on TikTok and if we can create search videos and do and get followers. So I'll go to the prompt again. And say, give me popular searches in Ghana on TikTok. So I just want you to show me what people are searching for on TikTok. So it says TikTok tend to be dominated by global trends like music and Roblox. There are likely some Ghanaian specific, so let's forget about that. So if you come to the down here, it said these are some trending hashtags that we can use. So it says look at hashtags related to recent events in Ghana. For instance, Angie Stylish is trending right now according to a TikTok search. So it means that they said Angela Stylish is trending on TikTok. So meaning if you use the hashtag stylish right now, Angela Stylish, you'll be getting views to your TikTok post. So this simply means that anytime there's something trending and all that, you can also tap into it with their hashtags. So what this will do is that anytime people are watching the videos, they'll be recommending videos with similar hashtags. So if someone finished watching someone's video, if you have the same hashtag in your video will be recommended. So basically, these are some of the ways you can be using some of these AI tools to do some searches for yourself and get some views. Also, definitely you'll get followers. The second way, which is my personal strategy that I've been using, is this. You see, on TikTok, we have short form videos on TikTok, but you can see that TikTok is recommending that we can have more than we can now upload up to 10-minute videos. So if you are uploading longer videos, everyone is uploading shorter videos. So if you can upload longer videos, it means you'll be keeping people more on the TikTok account. So TikTok will be recommending your videos more than the short videos. So I don't know if you get this. The reason why they are introducing the long form videos is because it's working and there's something that they want to push. So if you are uploading long form videos, they'll be recommending their videos more because people will definitely be watching more than 1 minute and 2 minutes. So that's one strategy that has helped some of us to grow followers fast on TikTok. The second strategy that I've personally been using is that I've also discovered that people are searching for finance related stuffs like business ideas in Ghana. So I've seen that anytime I create videos about business ideas, it goes viral. So I still make sure I find a way to create videos about business ideas. So maybe whatever you are also interested in. If Sarkodie is trending, you can also make videos about Sarkodie, and make sure that you give it relevant hashtags. So if I put a business in Ghana as a hashtag in my videos, anytime someone is discussing about videos or business in Ghana and all that, my video will definitely show up. So if you go on TikTok and search for business ideas in Ghana, definitely you see some of my videos show up. So guys, these are some of the ways that you can get followers to your TikTok account, because the more people are watching, the more they'll be following you. Also, you have to remember that getting followers on TikTok, no, it's easier if you find a niche that moves faster. Even though I talk about business that helps me to get followers faster, but there are other ways like comedy, sports, music, and all that. They will also make you get followers faster, because people are interested in that more than business discussions or educational videos. So if you are someone who is funny and all that, keep uploading, and definitely you get followers. Also, don't upload just 3 videos and think that they are going to push your videos, because when we posted like 3 videos, no one was watching. So if you go right now and check our first 3 videos, you see that they are now coming up with 300 views and all that. So basically, this is something that can also help you keep uploading frequently, so that you can get followers. Because if someone watch your video and you have a new video, that video will be recommended to that person again, because they've watched one of your videos. So basically, they'll follow you automatically. So be sure to upload videos frequently too. I believe that one too can help you to get followers fast on TikTok. So these are some strategies that help me to get followers on TikTok. If you are someone who have any other strategy that help you to get more followers on TikTok, then kindly leave it in the comment section, so that the rest of the people or all of us can still learn from you. Our next video is going to be about how I use my small TikTok account to earn, because the smallest TikTok account is rather earning us money more than the biggest ones that we have. So if you're someone who is interested, follow us so you don't miss that video.